Hey, what's up? You're welcome to my channel once again. So today we're going to use a trend line to make analysis on your mobile phone and see how we can, leverage on it and place trade and see how we can make profit out of the trade. So in this video, as I've said earlier on, I'm going to show you how to use Trendline to effectively place trade on your mobile phone and then make profit out of it. So if by now you are not yet subscribed to my channel, please do well to do so. And if you've subscribed to my channel, I really appreciate you. And we are getting stronger, we are standing stronger, we are getting much more help. And I appreciate all those that give all these comments and comments upon comments upon comments upon comments. All right, so I love the fact that my video is helping you all out there, and I hope to continue to be helpful to the community. So please be sure that you like this video and then comment and as well share this video or repost to anywhere so that people can benefit from it as well. So let's just dive right into the video and see how it goes. So as a requester, some person have requested that or based on the last video that a more detailed analysis be made on how the trend line can be effectively used as a tool on mobile and how it can be used perfectly well. So first of all, I decided that okay, we're going to use this trade that is called this current trade that's going on now as an example. All right, so now let's look at this trade right here. It's cool, right? You see that it was two trade. One is it the trade was taken before now, and you saw it in the last video. Now let's pick a trend line right here and then let's connect some wonderful points together, although I'm not getting that really well. All right, so the point I want to connect together, I've not been able to do that. Let me just tap on it, adjust it this way. No, okay, adjust it that way. All right, then this one here. All right, look at the point, look at the connection there. Now if you notice it very well, you discover that at every point when the market crosses or touches the line and then it reflects backward upward. Let me do that. Let me get that really right. All right, it reflects upward. All right, so now I can zoom in a little bit for you to see it clearly. It touch the line, reflect upward, touch the trend line, reflect upward, touch the trend line here, and then reflect upward. Now in this case, look at this case now where the trade is currently are. Whether in this case now, it will not, you will not determine whether you're going to leave this trade or you're going to, whether you're going to close this trade or you're going to allow it to still go on. But based on what we are looking at there, so what we're expecting is the market should touch the trend line and then bounce off. But instead that's not what is happening. Okay, what is happening instead is the reverse. Okay, is the reverse. So look at this. All right, let me use this. So even if I decided to turn my phone upside down, like change the view of my phone, it will, okay, that's this way to portrait. You see that you still see that the trend line was actually drawn perfectly well. The one that was drawn on landscape is actually done well, and you can see that at this point here, the market has broken through the trend line, and you can see that okay, this other trade is already in profit. All right, why the second one is yet to get into profit, but overall the entire trade is in profit of $29 plus. So that's just simply how to just on a very simple level to use the trend line. All right, let me tilt this a bit. Now based on what I can see here, this trade here will go down to as long as this distance right here. All right, is beginning to get into a bear market. All right, and it will go to as long as this, and that will demand you to use another trend line to connect some point. Mind you, this analyze making this analysis on a H4, that's 4 hours time frame, and taking the trade on 1 minute time frame. So understand this makes getting a whole lot of profit out of the trade. So I hope you get the point right now. So if you do this, you're sure going to be getting a whole lot of profit. Mind you, this is not a financial advice, all right? There might occur some losses, and the fact that there's profit in the market, there's also losses. There are some times whereby the market is totally out of your control. So be sure that you're totally in control of whatever you do or whatever you are doing. All right, so let me see you make some practices and then share your result with us in the description of the video. All right, so see you in my next video. Thank you for staying tuned.